Rufus boy, let me love boy, but just know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, but just know. Rufus boy, let me love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that bell beside it so you'll be notified whenever I post a new upload. So in today's video, I know my hair is looking like a little weird, but I can explain. In today's video, we are going to be making DIY flaxseed gel. Why? Because of quarantine. So I have my flaxseed gel here, and if you guys know, flaxseed gel has a lot of good vitamins and all that good stuff. I've actually tried this once, but I do not remember how the results were, but I only tried it on one section. So we're gonna try it again. So this is my flaxseed gel. I actually have 2 packs. From the other batch, I used a half pack, and for this batch, I also used a half pack, which means the whole pack is gone. So I only have this pack left.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This is what the flaxseed gels looks like. It kind of looks like seeds.
Boy, if you don't.
So yeah, so basically how you make this is that you put the flaxseed gel inside of a pot or something on the stove, put your flaxseed in it, put your water in it, and then just boil it. I didn't measure anything like 2 cups, 3 cups, 2 spoons. I didn't measure anything. I just poured it in and waited for it to get gooey. So I did it on low to medium heat, and I would say like it took me a solid 20 to 30 minutes just because my I did put it on low to medium heat, and I think I did put a little too much water, so my bad. I will show you a video of how my flaxseed gel looked during the process. So now that you've seen how I made my flaxseed gel, these are twists. I actually washed my hair today. I did add some leave-in. I added the Canvas Beauty leave-in conditioner, the cream. I put my hair in twist so I can work in sections, and I have a head start so I don't have to apply my leave-in on camera. So yeah, I actually made a lot of flaxseed gel. I added it.
Somebody come and look at this.
Into a old 12-ounce container. Whoa. And I also have some gel here. I'm gonna be using this one instead of this, and you want to keep it refrigerated. I don't know if it will go bad or anything. I hope it doesn't. Right now it smells like a plant. No, wait, I don't know, it smells like a plant.
That's true.
This will get messy, so I'm gonna put a towel maybe around me or on my lap. So let's get started. This is what the gel is looking like. Very gooey. It's hard to grab, but we're gonna try. So where do I put this? Because this is glass, and if this falls let's get started. I really hope this doesn't fall though, and if it falls, you guys will hear the pling-ling.
What?
My hair tie is over there, but since we ain't getting up, so we're gonna start with this section, and then we're going to dip inside of the gel and put it on the ooh.
And
Oh, this has some good slip. Okay, and it mixes good with the gel too. I'm gonna take some more gel. It's really hard to grab the gel. I'm gonna just dip my hair in it. I don't know. Y'all, my chair is gooey. I'm making such a mess. Why didn't I put it in a ball or something? Scoop it. That's it. Yep. And then just yeet. So we have this. We're gonna
Okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
now that my hair is styled and glued up. So let me tell you, this was a struggle to apply. I'm gonna let my hair air dry. It's late at night, but who cares? I'm gonna let my hair air dry and come back on camera to show you guys what my hair looks like, what the final results looks like, and if I would do this again, you know, all my thoughts. So I'll be back. So I am back. This is the next day. I did wake up and my hair was crunchy and I fluffed it out, but I forgot to film. So I'm just gonna put my hair down, gonna fluff out my hair a little bit. I did want to say that it had a huge crunch, but the crunch was so easy to get out. I literally just like smoothed my hair down and the crunch was gone. So there is some frizz here just because I was literally playing with my hair like this the whole time. So we're just gonna pretend that the hair is there. But other than that, my hair looks good. I like it. I would use this again. Now my thoughts are, it's very cheap to make. It is a process, but you can't keep it for that long. I think you can only keep it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 weeks, if I'm correct. If it starts smelling bad, just throw it out. So yeah, and it was a really hard process to put on your hair. I suggest putting it in a bottle so you can, you know, squeeze it out, because scooping it out of a scooping it out of a jar is very hard. My chair is literally stained from the flaxseed gel, but the product did have some good slip. I could detangle my hair very good with it, and my hair feels soft. My hair feels soft and the curls are looking very defined. I do have some clumped curls which I can separate to create some volume. Right here, for example, I have some clumped curls, but no problem. We're just gonna leave it like this. But yeah, I'm in love with the results. Let me know if you tried this flaxseed gel before. Are you planning on trying it? And if you try it, please let me know in the comments down below. Do not make the same mistake that I did, putting it in a jar. Oh yeah, when you transfer it to the jar, make sure the flaxseed gel is cooled down, because your jar will start to melt if you add it in a plastic jar. If you have like those glass mason jars, that works too. I actually put mine in a glass mug and then put it in the refrigerator, and when it was cooled down, I put it in the plastic empty jar, which I washed. Wash your plastic jars before using them again. I washed the plastic jar and then make sure there was no water in the plastic jar, and then added the cooled down flaxseed gel in it. And also, this flaxseed gel does not have preservative. If you want to go an extra mile, you can purchase the preservatives on Amazon to make your gel last longer. You can maybe add some more. You can maybe add some DIYs into it. You can whip it with shea butter to make it into a styling cream. You can be really creative. You can do what you want with this gel. Other than that, this gel is good. I like it. I really do. I would use it again with other techniques. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and yeah, bye.